In this video, we show you how to record and edit PS5 videos for YouTube. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. You can create YouTube videos directly from your PS5 using its built-in recording features and the free Share Factory Studio app to edit the video. First, launch the game you want to record. Once you're in the game, press the create buttons. A menu will pop up at the bottom. Before you start recording, navigate to the far right to open the capture options. Select it. Here you can customize screenshot and video clip file type, and also you can include your mics and party audio. Once your settings are adjusted, you're ready to record. If you want to save gameplay that just happened, select save recent gameplay and you can select the length. If you want to record for something that will happen, select start new recording and it will start recording. To stop, press the create button again and select stop recording. Alright, now you have your gameplay. Let's edit it on PS5. We'll use Share Factory Studio. You can download it from the PlayStation Store if you don't have it. Open up Share Factory Studio and start a new project. Here you can select a theme, but for this video, I'll just select Simple Creator Pack, and after that, you can choose the gameplay you want to include in your video. You can rename your project if you want and press continue. Alright, we're inside the timeline and let's start editing. To move along the timeline, you can use the right analog stick or the touchpad on your controller. To jump between clips, you can use L1 and R1. To zoom in on the timeline for precise edits, press up on the D-pad and press down on the D-pad to zoom out. Next, select the clip on the timeline, press square on your controller, and you can choose options like trim clip to shorten the ends, split clips to make cuts, move clip to reorder the clip. So for example, I want to split my clip, just select split clip and then I pick where I want to cut, press X on the controller and confirm it, and the clip will be cut in half. Finally, use the X button menu to add things to your project. Press X on the timeline and you can add clips, screenshot, track 2 for voiceover recording, add music and overlay, and all the good stuff. Alright, once you're happy with all your edits, it's time to save the final video. Press the triangle button on your controller and this will render your project, combining everything into a video file. It will be saved back into your media gallery. After you're done rendering, you'll have options to share your video. Just select share and then select YouTube. Here you can customize the video title, description and text, set the privacy, and when you're ready, you can just click on upload. And that's it.